Okay, so here we are. We're coming up to the deck over here, and it's got a bit of a steep driveway, but it's a hillside home. Nothing dramatic. It's nothing crazy. Okay, so we got here at the deck here, and it's kind of rotten. That's why you guys are coming out here. We already have 3 piers. 1, 2, and then 3's down there. If you can see it too much. Okay. So, see that? And those are 12-inch piers. I gotta see with Pikes Peak Regional Building, you know, if they got blueprints. I mean, everything's put with permits. So, and this is it. It's got one here. This is about 10 or 11 feet from here, closest to the house. Over there at the far side, my guess is about 13 or 14 feet for that far pier. And this is the deck. It's 17 and a half feet by 9 feet 1. And I think that this header, I don't know if you can see it too well, I think that's you know, it's got to be replaced, but the connection to the house seems to be okay. And then so this is it. I'll show you more of the land. There's no steps. It's got metal railing up here. Okay. And it's nothing real dramatic, you know, to get your parts in here. You got tons of space. My tenants will be moving the car. Got tons of space for whatever trucks and stuff you got to bring up here. A little bit of yard. Not really yard, just whatever. Coming on up here. And that's just some scaffold stuff. My tenant's doing some painting, so that's not part of your deal. So it's just a very generic thing. Oh, by the way, these headers and stuff, they don't go inside the house. You know, you got a board on the side header. Okay. Sorry, it's the end of the day, and I'm kind of being a little loopy with my conversation here. So that's all rotten. I'll have the stuff take it out. It'd be nice if I could hold on to these 4x4s. I only put them in like 2-3 years ago. They're still in good condition, but I mean, I'm not going to use it for construction, but and I'm going to show you a header here. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get some better shots. I don't know. Okay. All right. So okay, guys. Thanks a lot.